Hey! Are we good now? Thank you. Hello, I'm Fernando from Mart Restaurant Supply. Ensuring your beverage service has the right pieces to meet high demand will make sure that you have reduced breakage and higher profits. Carlisle stackable tumblers are the perfect solution for any beverage service, no matter the operation you're running. Each of these tumblers are made from durable SAN plastic that can handle the rigors of everyday operation. Mart carries these tumblers from 5 ounces all the way up to 32 ounces, so no matter the demand you have, we're able to meet your needs. The most definitive feature of these tumblers is that they're stackable. The stacking tabs on the inside ensure that there's enough space for each tumbler to not create a vacuum. And last but not least, the outside is actually pebbled, giving you great grip whenever it's condensating or if it's wet, reducing spills and maximizing your profits. So if you want to enhance your beverage service and shop Carlisle stackable tumblers or other beverage essentials, you can walk right into any one of our 15 superstore locations today or shop online at asmart.com. By the way, they're break resistant.